Hello everyone, today me and my teammate are going to explain you a really important topic in signal processing, that is convolution. It basically helps us to understand how different signal interacts with each other and how system responds to then given input. What is convolution? Convolution is a mathematical operation that combines two signals to produce a third signal. It shows how a signal modifies the shape of another. For example, when we clap in the room, the echo we hear is the convolution of our clap. With the help of room's impulse response. In simple terms, convolution helps us to understand how system responds to the input. So, convolution can be broadly classified into two types. First is linear convolution and second is circular convolution. First, circular convolution. Circular convolution combines two periodic signals to produce a third signal of the same length as the original ones. It wraps the signal around using a modulo operation. The key points are output length is equal to the input length, that is n. It is used in frequency domain processing. Let's understand the circular convolution with the help of the MATLAB code. So we have two input signal x1 and x2. Using cconv function, we perform the circular convolution. The code also plots all three signals x1, x2 and the output signal. This helps us to visualize how the two signals interact with each other in circular manner. So here you can see that the output of the code. The third plot shows the result of circular convolution. Notice how the amplitude pattern changes as the signal are wrapped around. That's the key difference compared to the linear convolution.
Now let's move to linear convolution. This operation combines two signals to produce an output signal whose length is the sum of the input lengths minus 1. It's mainly used in time domain analysis to determine the output of linear time variant system. Key points: output length equal to n1 plus n2 minus 1. It represents the full system response. It's used in time domain signal processing. Let's understand the linear convolution with the help of MATLAB code. Here, the MATLAB code for linear convolution, we use the built-in conv function to combine two signals x1 and x2. The program also plots the input signals and their convolution output. This gives a clear understanding of how linear convolution extends the signal length and shows complete system response. And here the output plot. The third subplot shows the final convolution signal. You can notice it's longer than inputs. That's key characteristics of linear convolution. This method is useful for analyzing filters and systems outputs in the time domain. The conclusion is an essential concept in a signal processing. It helps us understand how system responds to different inputs. Linear convolution is used in time domain analysis, while circular convolution is used in frequency domain analysis. Thank you.